But today we're going to Austria and a zoo where they have lynxes. I'm pretty happy and excited. So.
They've got a few places that we passed that have horses. I don't know. Austria is kind of like northern Ontario with a lot of hills. It's not as mountainous.
So we arrived at Tier Park, which is the name of the park. It's also called Wild Park Roseg, and they also have Schloss Labyrinth here. A labyrinth, a garden. I don't know if we're gonna have time to see both, but we're definitely gonna see the wild park, where they have wild animals that you buy the tickets down over there. And I'm really excited to see the lynxes, and if there, I don't know if there are other big cats. I'm not sure exactly which animals they have. I just know for sure they have lynxes. And you know, here they get to live a bit wild at heart, so it's not like a zoo. They have more space and they have water, and it's better for them, you know, instead of a traditional zoo. So here we are.